Hi guys, so today we are going to check out all fun animals. It's a tiger. It's a tiger. Tigers are very scary. Who is next? It's a cheetah. It's a cheetah. Who is next? It's a bear. It's a bear. Who is next? It's a giraffe. It's a giraffe. Who is next? It's a camel. It's a camel. Who is next? Oh, camels are really very cute. Who is next? It's a lion. It's a lion. It's a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Who is next? They are spiders. They are spiders. Spiders are very scary. Who is next? It's a dog. It's a dog. Who is next? It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Who is next? It's a bison. It's a bison. Who is next? It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Who is next? It's a panda. It's a panda. Who is next? It's a horse. It's a horse. Who is next? It's an elephant. It's an elephant. Who? It's an elephant. Wow. Who is next? It's a gorilla. It's a gorilla. Gorillas are very cute. Who is next? Who is next? It's a lizard. It's a lizard. Who is next? It's a rhinoceros. It's a cute little rhinoceros. Who is next? It's a cow. It's a cow. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.